inch and 3/4 by 14.
Quarter by 14. Actually, we're going to want to back that off a little bit. I think. And again, we got a height difference, right? One and 3/4 by 14. And we might as well just run that guy all the way to here. Isn't that our situation?
So you can just bolt everything since it's all
Yeah, we can bolt all this. So I'm looking at 5, going back to the structure, we have 1 inch and 3/4 by 14, right? We have 1 inch and 3/4 coming from 5 to 6. We got 1 inch and 1/8 on our outside by 20 as our fascia. Can't make a 4. 1/4 inch plate. Heck, we can nail those on.
And so is that why you have those two overlapping like that? So that you can just bolt those through?
Yep. This is bolt them both at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, so we got the top of our column. We'll come back 1 inch and 1/8, 1 inch and 3/4, 1 inch and 3/4, and we'll put a 1/4 inch plate welded on. You see in the top view. And we're just going to run our beams across, bolt through, they're good. There's going to be some blocking at the bottom of this, right? Because this is 14 inches high, 20 inch, so you're going to have a little 6-inch blocking when you do the side view. Since we're dealing with those wood things, you can just nail them.
So you're saying the 1/8 by 21, that's going like up into it, then you just nail that?
Yeah, this one coming this way, we'll just nail that right to this guy.
What about the other one?
This one right here is going to be sitting on there a little bit, we'll end nail it once there and then just call her good.
And you don't have to call out the name from wood to wood.
We're not going to go there on this, no, we'll just ignore that. And no, we wouldn't, if we were doing a commercial building, we wouldn't ignore it, we'd do a tailing schedule. That's number 5. Number 6. Same thing here. 6 is kind of the same deal, except we only have 1 3/4 by 14. I think you still want a little plate here. For bolting that too.
Does that have to go 3/4 of the way through?
No, it's a bolt. It'll go all the way through.
Oh,
So, let me redraw that. Put the head on the outside. Okay, so we got 1 1/8, 1 3/4, 1/4 inch metal plate bolted together. It'll look just like that. So that's what you're looking at, and then we're bolting to hold these two solid. All right, there's some rough sketches. So what you should start doing is putting together these tops. You only need one detail for the bottom, because we're doing the same bottom throughout, right? You're going to need 5 column tops. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. 3 will be good for 3 and 4. I would be happy to redline these for you if you want to do your 1, 2, 3 views, whatever you think. Take a stab at it, try and dimension it, put your leader lines on there, calling out your material, and then maybe print it to an A sheet, hand it to me. I'd be happy to redline it for you. Okay? So once we get those done, we're going to organize our sheet, print it, we're done. Now I got to get into your draw time a little bit. Tomorrow, we got a tour at 9 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know how many of you got on. Gabe, you got that on the drafting website, right?
No, but I texted everyone.
Oh, you sent everyone a text, so everybody got that? So we're supposed to be at Quality at 9. John's going to take us through their design lab and then take us out to the truss plant. And he says it should be pretty busy, so you get to see it. The whole transition and how it comes in, where they get a set of plans, they redraw it, build their trusses, truss drawings, all that. So you'll see all that. Now, with that said, we got to leave here about 8:30 to get there. I did not get a van, so we're going private vehicles. I can get all of us in my truck. If some people feel like we want to take 2 rigs, that's fine with me also. You're going to be on a plant floor. Come dressed accordingly. Okay, no sandals. Missy, you got sandals on today? So did Dave, didn't he? No? You got real shoes? Okay. Wear real shoes. Something you don't mind getting a little sawdust on. Those types of things.
Are shorts okay?
What's that?
Are shorts okay?
You know, just stay professional. Let's go pants. Okay. Let's go pants. Cover all the skin. We need to do a test review tomorrow. Okay, so I want to start right at 8 o'clock with the test review. It'll take me around 20, 30 minutes to do that, and we'll horse up, head on out, do our tour, and come back here. As soon as you got your drawings after that, and take the final, you're done. Any questions for me? Okay. I think I'm only gonna be here about another hour, and then I've got one commitment I gotta get to this afternoon, but kind of feeling the cold come on, so I might get out of here so I don't get any of you sick. Okay. I'll be here for about another hour in case you got any questions immediately on what you're doing, and then you'll be on your own for the rest of today. Yes, Gabe?
So, when we do all these drawings, are they gonna be like on that one, how they had a bunch of tiny, like,
Yeah.
details? Okay, and so, when we're drawing them on here, obviously we'll draw on the scale, like, dimensioning wise, we'll dimension like the same size we did with those other pictures, right?
Yes, and you know, I think we're gonna get everything 2 sheets maximum. Because 1 sheet's gonna be your plan view and your cross section. And then you're gonna go into your tops. You might be able to get it all on 1 sheet. You really might.
It's a D sheet, right?
Yes, it's a D sheet. Just make sure, we're going down to a 1/4 inch plate, you need to be able to see that. Okay, so with that, 3/4 inch to a foot, you're just at the point where you're not seeing it. Okay, so I would go 1.5 inches and see how that works out. You might have to go 2 sheets on that scale. Remember, when you're drawing these things, like on here, you don't need to have 6 feet of column here, right? A couple inches with a long break line. You're just showing that area right there. Okay, so you might be able to get it all on 1 sheet. But I would draw them before you annotate, before you hatch, start setting up your plot sheet and see how it's gonna work. Okay. All right, well, let's get to some drawing then. Anything else? Please look at Quality Trusses website, so you're a little familiar with them. It's not a real extensive one, but they do have one. All right, thanks.